All right, next test drive, 1965 Chevy Corvette. This one's got the blueprint crate motor in it, and it's all chromed out here. Power steering, power brakes, upgraded pulleys, AC, upgraded exhaust. It's gonna be a fun test drive. Be sure to check us out, maplemotors.com. Finance and shipping is available. For now, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Okay, let's get this bad boy out of the showroom. Well, this week's been awesome. It's been hard to even choose a favorite car, but I love this one too. This car is great. I love the color. I love the blueprint motor. Let's see how it runs and drives. This is the first time I've driven it. Oh, she sounds mean. That's right. Anything I see throughout this video, I will be honest and upfront. If you do have any other questions by the end of the video, we'll answer. Let's go. So we're going down the road. This thing is super smooth, straight as an arrow, real tight steering. Look at that. Because put her to the floor and it's not shifted down, but it's fast enough. Speedo is working, seems accurate. Tach, not so much. Brakes are touchy. Chopping away with these side pipes. I love it. Let's go send it through the parking lot with nobody driving it. How about that? The guys, I'm gonna light up the undercarriage, do the outside shots, and also picking out the flaws. It'll be at the end. I'll be back. Time to roll. We don't want to get caught in the rain, and the rain is coming. So far, I noticed one thing. The temperature gauge is way off. I had to pop the hood and check it because it was showing 215, 220, 230, and I realized it's 180. I don't know what's going on with the gauge, but it's not working. It just keeps climbing. I noticed a little bit of walking in the back end on this one. As you're in and out of the gas, you kind of feel it walking a little bit. I think the tach goes to the distributor on this one, and that may be why it's not working. It may not be hooked up correct. It does feel pretty good suspension wise. It also sounds mean. It's got plenty of power. That's the rain I was seeing. It's pouring over there. Oh yeah. And of course I was trying to go fishing after work. That ain't happening today. It looks crappy. Guess I'll go home and work on a bug. Bumping the road. Pretty good suspension, not too bad. Notice when I'm hitting the brakes, little bit of a left pull there. It's not major, but I have noticed it. All right, let's get this thing back in the showroom. And of course, additional information's at maplemotors.com. I want you to go there. I want you to see everything about this ride. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Let's walk this ride going up to the front. Little scuffs on the bumper coming around the lower portion. Light little cracks there. Spot on the bumper there. Chip here in the corner. Light cracks. Crack here. Also around the fender well there. Damage in the back there that's been touched up. A little dirt there, it's coming off. Chips. I don't even know what that is. Oh, it's a cop car. Why does it sound like that? I wouldn't even know to pull over if I heard that. Alright, in a little spot there. Paint runs. I think a spaceship's chasing me. In the cracks. Chips there, cracks top. midsection. Spot on the side, chip up here. Chip there. A little bit of pitting tail lights. Imperfections on the chrome bumper on this side. Chip. Like cracks in the paint. See it up top here. Scuff on the side. Cracks on top of the paint here as well, just old paint. Little dings in your trim. Front window on this one looks great. Nice vents. Cracks in the back there. Spot here. Lots of little imperfections on this one, but that's why it's priced like this. It's priced accordingly to what we see and how it is. A lot of people ask this question, how do we price our cars? Well, we go by the market. We've been doing this, 43 years. And then we try to buy the cars where we can price them $2,000 less than the average value. That makes it better. We sell a lot more cars that way. Let's check out the interior. Now, of course, I'm gonna have to speed up a little bit. We got a storm coming, and I don't want this car out in the rain. Here it's thunder's coming. Thunder and rolls. A little fading going on back there. A little bit of carpet left to be replaced. The front is new. Seats look good. Water temperature is not accurate. We do got an electric fan switch here. down this other side. A little chip here. There as well on the edge. Alright guys, I'm gonna run. There's rain way over there. I see it coming down. Thanks for sticking around. 100 detailed pictures or any other questions, we'll send you more information. Go to maplemotors.com, financing and shipping. I'll see you there.